Established in 2002, Sunnyou Medical is a high-tech enterprise integrating the R&D, manufacturing and marketing of rehabilitation, physiotherapy equipment and pain management equipment. The company now has more than 1,000 employees, with the floor area of nearly 50,000 square meter and the standardized workshop of 200,000 square meter. By far, we have passed the ISO 13485, ISO 9001 Medical Equipment Management System certification in the industry, some of which have got the CE certification. We provide the turnkey solution for physio and rehab centers by supplying electrotherapy, magnetotherapy, heat therapy, hydrotherapy, cryotherapy, physical therapy, occupational therapy, rehab exercising equipment, etc. Sunnyou Medical provide high-quality products and services for tens of thousands of hospitals, and our products are exported to Europe, Africa, Australia, Middle East, Southeast Asia and other countries. It mainly provides a full range of rehabilitation product solutions for general hospitals, rehabilitation hospitals, primary diagnostic and treatment institutions, and other medical institutions, nursing homes, rehabilitation centers for the disabled and welfare institutions. Sunnyou Medical has consistently regarded technological innovation as the primary driving force behind its development. The company is dedicated to independent research and development, production, promotion, and sales of intelligent rehabilitation equipment across various fields, including orthopedic rehabilitation, neurological rehabilitation, critical care rehabilitation, pain management rehabilitation, postpartum recovery. Welcome to our production plant and medical industrial park in Anyang City, Henan Province.